Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be providing you with a brief demonstration on how you can set up the electronic gradebook in the D2L Brightspace Learning Management System. Now, let's get started. First, we're going to travel up here to the Grades tab in the navigation bar and select it. And then when we get to this page here, we're going to bypass the setup wizard and we're going to do our own setting options. So we're going to select setting. And from here, we're going to make sure that this first Personal Displays Options tab is selected. We're going to come down here. We're going to verify or make sure that all three of the grade details are selected. We'll come down here and we'll make sure that the Repeat Final Grades both have been selected. And then finally, for the Start page, we want to make sure that we have Manage Page selected for this option, and you can change it by selecting the drop-down menu. Once we know we have those saved, we're going to go ahead and hit Save. Now we're going to come up here to the Organizational Unit Display Options tab, click on it, and then we're going to come right back here and we're going to look at these graded details, and as you can see, all of them are completed, so we're going to hit Save. And then finally, we're going to go to the Calculation Options page. And this is where we're going to make sure that our point system has been selected. And then we want to make sure that here in the ungraded items under the grade calculations, that anything that is ungraded is dropped. And we also want to make sure under auto update that this is selected to automatically update those final grades. And again, we can save. And then we're going to say yes, we want to confirm. We're going to hit Save, and we're going to hit Yes again. And then we're going to come up here to Grades. And instead, we're going to come over here to the Manage Grades option. Again, we're skipping that Startup Wizard. We're going to select the new icon, and from the drop-down menu, we are going to create our categories. And I like to do these by weeks so that things are nice and put together for students. So I'm going to hit week 1, and then I'm going to come to Save and New. It's kind of like when we were doing our discussion posts in our content video. So I hit Save and New, and then I'm going to keep adding the weeks and hit Save and New. And for week 5, I am going to do something a little different. I'm going to hit Save and Close. Now from this menu, you can see that we have all of our folders and our, categories set up. So now we're going to go add our graded options. So we're going to click on Items. Then we're going to click on Numeric. And from here, we're going to give it a name. So I am going to say Week 1 Discussion Grade. I'm going to come down here to Category, and I'm going to assign it to that Week 1 that I created first. I'm going to change the grading option amount. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit Save and New. And as you can see, we come back out to this page. So I'm just going to keep going, and each time I'm going to add my numeric value and set things up exactly the same way. Now that I'm on week number 5, I am going to add and save stuff differently for this one. So my week 5 discussion grade. Again, I'm going to select category. I'm going to go to week 5. I'm going to change the points. And instead of selecting Save and New, I'm going to select Save and Close. Oops, sorry, thought I added that. Okay, go ahead and hit Save and Close. Now you can see from this page, I have all of my categories and my items added. And that's how you add an electronic gradebook to the D2L Brightspace Learning Management System. Thank you for joining me.